So I've now been a finance and investing YouTuber for a little over a year now, and it's honestly been a really enjoyable journey so far. And since I've been able to amass such a large audience, I've been able to do YouTube full time since I now make just shy of 100K a month.
What? Stop the cap.
As cool as that would be, it's obviously a joke, but there are a handful of YouTube creators out there that average about $100,000 per month in ad revenue, which is pretty insane. But today I wanted to go over how much I've made so far on YouTube and let you guys see what the ad revenue looks like each month for a smaller creator like myself. Now keep in mind that I am in the finance category on YouTube, so the numbers for my channel might be a little higher than other smaller channels in a different category. And if you don't already know, the reason why creators in the finance category make a lot more in ad revenue than other creators is because the advertisers who are paying to display their ads on YouTube videos are a lot more willing to pay a premium to have their ads in front of people who tend to have more money to either spend or invest. So for example, the largest percentage of people who watch my content are between the ages of 25 and 34 years old, and people in that age range are more likely to be graduated from college and working full-time, which makes sense because people in that age range who are choosing to watch videos about finance and investing are typically going to have a lot more money to spend than, say, a 16-year-old high school student that chooses to watch 30-second meme videos on YouTube. Okay, I'll be honest, I'm 26 and I still watch those really dumb meme videos on YouTube.
Oh my God!
But anyway, let's jump into my YouTube analytics and see how much I make on each video. So I wanted to start off with this first one that I made a little more than a year ago about the 5 best delivery apps to work for, and it's still the most viewed video on my channel. The beauty of having a smaller channel, especially when you're first starting out on YouTube, is you have the freedom to kind of experiment between a range of video topics without having the pressure of staying too niche. And I've always really enjoyed talking about different side hustles that actually work, where you're basically guaranteed to make money if you just do the job. So I started out my channel talking a lot about delivery apps like DoorDash and Grubhub and a few other delivery side gigs like that. And one day I decided to make this video about the 5 delivery apps that you could consider working for that aren't as popular as DoorDash or Grubhub. And what most likely happened with this video is it eventually started to rank in the YouTube search results. So it was probably first or second when you search delivery apps to work for. So it obviously gets more clicks and views since it's ranked higher. And ever since I first posted, it's been getting about 1,000 views a week and has earned over $150. One thing to note here about the revenue for this video is it's technically a lot lower than it should be because the video has been up for over a year now, but I was only approved for monetization about a month and a half ago. So the video already had like 45,000 views by then, but if I had already been monetized before I posted the video, the revenue here would be a lot higher. But this video actually helped me get the watch hours needed to be approved for monetization, so it all worked out. So that one is the highest earning video on my channel, with most of the other videos on my channel earning anywhere from 5 cents to about $6. Now jumping into the total earnings for my channel, as you can see here, I've earned about $205, which comes to about an average of $5 per day. And like I mentioned earlier, I've only been monetized on YouTube for about a month and a half now, so at this pace, I'm earning roughly $150 to $160 per month in ad revenue. There are other ways to make money on YouTube through affiliate links and sponsorships and different things like that. But at this point for my channel, because of the number of views I'm getting, it just wouldn't really be worth it. Since my audience is still fairly small, I don't want to bombard them with too many ads right now. I feel like that wouldn't help with the growth of my channel because we all know how annoying ads and sponsorships can be. I've also never really wanted to be the guy that's just trying to squeeze every penny out of his audience and pump crypto coins and have a course and things like that. So if I ever start to become like that, please just let me know. I don't really have any specific goals for this channel or any number that I'm trying to hit. Like, I'm not trying to get to 100,000 subscribers and make $5,000 a month in ad revenue. My only goal is honestly just to try to make content that's valuable and helpful so that when you watch my videos, you can actually get something out of them. So hopefully you guys do enjoy the content that I make. Like I said, I will continue to innovate and improve my videos to the point where my channel is just a quality channel with valuable content regardless of how many subscribers that I have. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a like on this video if you enjoy videos like this and you thought it was helpful, and I'll catch you later. See ya.